Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix virtualization-based security required for FACEIT AC. This will be a very easy fix on how to do it, so follow my step-by-step guide on how to do it. The first thing you need to do is update your Windows. Go ahead and click on your Windows and type in Windows Update. Once you go ahead and click on Windows Update, just go ahead and scan for the required or the latest Windows update right now. Go ahead and update if there is one. Once updated, go ahead and restart your PC and see if the update worked. Another method we could do is by going to your BIOS settings. If you are currently using an Asus motherboard, go ahead and restart your PC first and spam F2. If you're using a Dell 1 or even a Lenovo, it's F2 or F12. If you're using HP, it's F10. Okay, once you're in your BIOS, go ahead and go to advanced settings on your BIOS right here, same as this picture right here. Once done, once you click on advanced, go ahead and scroll down until you see TPM. As I am currently showing on the screen right now, it might differ. If you're having a Ryzen 1 or you're an Intel, it might look different. If you're using an AMD, it should be Ryzen. It's called AMD CPU TPM. And on Intel, it should look like PTT, which means Intel Platform Choice Technology. Go ahead and enable one of them. And then once done, go ahead and restart your PC and your error should be gone. If this video helped you a lot, please consider leaving a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.